Top of the morning to you today. I'm excited to share the Pot of Gold collection designed by Becky Moore. I'm Amy Sonneman, and thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. I'd love to share this mini collection with you for St. Patrick's Day. Let's take a look at this collection. We have the collection kit that includes 2 of each of the papers in this collection, as well as the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. There are also some fun papers in this collection. This is called Leprechauns, with this great plaid on the back. So Lucky includes 2 4 by 6 cut-aparts, as well as a whole host of 3 by 4 cut-aparts. I'm loving the green shamrocks on the back as well. This paper includes 2 6 by 8 cut-aparts, as well as 3 4 by 4 cut-aparts. So it gives you a little bit of extra pattern to be able to use in your scrapbooking or your card making. The last piece in this mini collection is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, which includes a 12-inch rainbow, a fun 12-inch green hedge, lots of fun words, titles, tags, tabs, and more. We hope you are up to a few shenanigans for St. Patrick's Day, and make sure you take pictures to document them with the Pot of Gold collection. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.